everyone, Tessa here. I'm gonna show you how to install this shower head. It comes with really good instructions. I've gone over it and now I'm gonna show you what to do. So there is one part actually in here that they didn't really show you how to do, and it took me a moment to figure it out, so I will show you. Okay, so first we start with this. Put it on right here. It needs to go on so that it ends up like this. So this is where you would connect the hose. Okay, so now it's time to attach the hose. See, there's this little plastic thing on top, and I couldn't figure out how to take it off. At first I thought I had to try to pull it off, but you just screw it off. That wasn't in the instructions, so just in case you're wondering, it's as simple as that. Okay, so I tested it out and it was leaking right here, so I switched it around. So you want to make sure that this side, the washer with the screen, goes in here. The regular washer without the screen, you just want to make sure it's nice and flat in there, and just place the shower head on there. That's it, we're good. Okay, now let's test it out. There are 3 settings. There's filtered shower, a pressurized shower, and it says micro bubble shower. You can stop it and then you just get it going again right there. Something that I've never had with a shower head before. I love that option. Okay, cool. Wow, it's really cool. Okay, I'm going to go to another setting. Oh wow, this is excellent water pressure. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. And then let's see the other one. Okay, there's that, and that. I'm just going to check out the, oh yeah, look at that. You just stop it and then start it up again. I love the silicone massager. So it was pretty easy to install, and I am so impressed with the water pressure. The last shower head that I had was absolutely ridiculous, useless, so very excited about this.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.